In EKS, Kubernetes is only one layer of the operating model. AWS networking, IAM, load balancers, and managed control plane decisions are part of the real platform story. The control plane is managed by AWS, but worker capacity, cluster network design, and workload boundaries are still the team's responsibility. This lesson will connect the control plane, node groups, Fargate, VPC boundaries, subnets, IAM, and traffic exposure into one production mental model. The EKS control plane schedules and coordinates the cluster, while the worker side carries the actual application runtime and day 2 operational risk. A real EKS platform starts with a VPC, clear subnet boundaries, and enough IP room for nodes, pods, load balancers, and growth. IAM does not replace Kubernetes permissions, but it does control who can administer the cluster and what workloads can call into AWS services. Worker nodes host pods, Kubernetes, and most of the runtime dependency chain. So node design still matters even when the control plane is managed. Managed node groups simplify upgrades and lifecycle work, but they do not remove the need for sane sizing, isolation, and rollout discipline. Fargate can be valuable for isolated workloads and simpler operational ownership, but platform teams still need to know when node-based clusters are the better fit. Public traffic usually reaches an AWS load balancer first, then Kubernetes routing, then services, and only then the target pods. Even private EKS clusters still need image pools, logging, secrets access, and role assumption paths. So endpoints and egress choices are part of the architecture. If you ignore subnet sizing and address pressure, the cluster can fail as a platform long before Kubernetes itself looks broken. Production EKS works better when core platform workloads, shared services, and application capacity are designed as deliberate lanes instead of one blurred pool. Teams that treat upgrades, observability, and availability zones as afterthoughts usually pay for it during incidents and growth. The simple answer is that EKS is Kubernetes running inside an AWS platform contract where managed control plane convenience still depends on disciplined cloud design.